Harvest Honey here with today's Mile High Marijuana Minute, and I just wanted to make this video about tourism. I'm very excited. 420 is coming up. This is going to be a momentous occasion for everyone here, and I just wanted to kind of give everyone a few little pointers. First of all, no, it is not legal to smoke anywhere. You can't just walk down the street and chief a joint. While that sounds amazing in an ideal world, currently when you are smoking you have to be in the confines of your own home, out of public sight. And there actually are some hotels that are allowing you to smoke within, the certain smoking rooms. And a couple other little bits of information. Don't forget about altitude. I know that sounds really silly, but we are a mile high here already, and everything, whether it be drinking or smoking or eating edibles, is going to affect you faster, and it's also going to affect you stronger. So just keep that in mind when eating your edibles. With that said, when you're eating edibles, be very conscious of the fact that this is not your mama's brownie. This is not the old school, just threw some pot into a crock pot and ended up with this. We're dosing here. We're giving you, 100 milligram bars, and that's going to be something very different than the what's in this cookie. I just kind of want to let everyone know, start small. The state's recommending a dose be 10 milligrams. So, maybe start with 10. That might not be a bad baseline to figure out where you actually belong and work your way up 10 milligrams at a time. Just a little heads up. I can't wait to see you all here, and I can't wait to share this amazing holiday with you. Have a wonderful trip out and stay high, friends.